blank, see a doctor, because I felt very sick. Option is A. Had to, B. Have to, C. Had, D. Have. Answer is option A. Had to.
The train went blank the tunnel. Option is A. At, B. By, C. Between, D. Through. Answer is option D. Through.
Which is the plural form of work area? Option is A. Work areas, B. Work area, C. Works area, D. None of these. Answer is option A. Work areas.
I'm tired blank waiting. Option is A. Of, B. By, C. To, D. About. Answer is option A. Of.
Can we bring blank? Option is A. Food the picnic to, B. The picnic to food, C. The food picnic to, D. Food to the picnic. Answer is option D. Food to the picnic.
Name anything that make you happy. Option is A. Fighting, B. Dancing, C. Reading, D. None. Answer is option B. Dancing. Which animal is coming?
Monkey.
No, it's a gorilla. Did you know, we share around 98% of our DNA with gorillas.
Eat your vegetables, they are good blank you. Option is A. With, B. To, C. In, D. For. Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer then like the video.
I want blank job right now. Option is A. B. An, C. The, D. None. Answer is option A.
Their pets go everywhere together. In the sentence, which is the adverb? Option is A. There, B. Go, C. Together, D. Everywhere. Answer is option D. Everywhere. Did you know cow males are known as steer or bull?
A rabbit is very fast but a turtle is very blank. Option is A. Fat, B. Slow, C. Quick, D. Quiet. Answer is option B. Slow.
What is the synonym of harm? Option is A. Love, B. Bad, C. Hurt, D. Good. Answer is option C. Hurt.
The tall girl likes to eat ice cream. In the sentence, which is the noun? Option is A. Girl, B. Tall, C. Eat, D. The. Answer is option A. Girl.
Geeta is blank, then Babita. Option is A. Tall, B. Tallest, C. Taller, D. None. Answer is option C. Taller.
In the following, which is a plural form of a software? Option is A. Softwares, B. softwares, C. Software, D. Softwares. Answer is option C, software.
They went to New Delhi, blank train. Option is A. Through, B. With, C. By, D. On. Answer is option C. By.